Hello, good people at YouTube. This is North back again with a quick video. Today I wanted to just show you guys some of my leftover material. Hopefully I can figure out how to splice these videos together. So this will be like a before and after. All right. So I have this material right here. This particular material I use as a lining for a pair of chinos that I had made. So this is all leftover materials. You can see the frayed at the end. I don't really have a lot of space here. Hopefully in the future I'll have more space to show you more things. So this is just leftover material from the lining of some pants that I had. And this right here, this is the duck canvas material. This was the outside. So these were the chinos I had made. This was the outside, this was the inside. And this is my leftover material from that. It's maybe about half a meter. This is like a little bit less than that. It's like one big splot, and then there's like smaller little pieces. So what I'm going to try to do is take these two materials to my tailor. All right, I'm gonna take them to my tailor. This is what I do with my clothes. I'm going to bring him something, a type of sample, okay? So I'm gonna take him this little mesh thing that I got from Miniso. This right here. I'm going to get me a zipper, and I'm going to take the material and the zippers to him, and I'm going to have both of these made to measurement. So I don't believe the smaller one I'll just have the red on the inside. On the outside, there won't be anything on the inside, but with the bigger one, I'm going to have the outside, just like my pants, be the red, and then the inside be lined with this, and maybe have a couple pockets. So I'll maybe purchase 3 or 4 zippers, just in case. I'll use 3. I'll use one for this, I'll use one for this. And then on the pocket on the inside, I'll have a zipper. And what I'm going to use this for is that I'm going to use it for like a pouch for my cords. All right, so for my laptop charger, for my phone chargers, for my battery packs and things like that. I was on Amazon, I was watching some YouTube video, and then I went into some rabbit hole about trying to find different like pouches for my electronics. And I'm on Amazon looking and looking and looking, and almost a day and a half later, then I'm like, wow, I could just have the thing made. Wow, like almost everything else that I've had done. You know, I have a couple of other pouches for different things. So this is what I'm going to get done. I'll see if I can take you through the process, see if I can take you to the souk where I go to. I already have the material, but at least where I go and I buy the zippers from, and when I go to the tailor to see if he can do this for me, which I'm sure that he can. I'm still having a suit made right now, so I want to take it to him with enough time for me to get both of them back at the same time. All right, so I'll see you in a little bit. But this is where my tailor is. All right. This one I want the pillowcase. This is 4 meters.
Okay.
How many pillowcase you think I can
कम
make?
ही कुल्लू से वही मुंह मुश्किल आधा राइट वाला
Shiny side, outside.
outside.
Okay. So maybe 4 pillowcases?
Yeah, 4, 5 inshallah.
All right.
You want?
No. This one, so from this material,
Okay.
I wanted to get this made. I didn't bring, remember the pouch you made for my sajada? So it's like that. I want like this, same size.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't get the zippers.
Zipper?
I'll bring the zippers back.
Okay, no problem.
I'll bring the zippers
Okay.
today.
Okay.
So I want same,
Same.
but I want this outside,
This outside,
this inside.
this inside.
But inside I want a pocket.
One pocket.
But what I want to, can I get a zipper
Ah,
pocket?
yeah,
If
okay,
it-
no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
But
But this one?
this one only this.
Okay.
Okay, same side.
Okay.
Okay, but I'll go get the zippers and I'll come back. All right, thanks. So I'm back. This is the last part of the video, the last step. So this is my finished product from the beginning of the video. This is the pouch that I had made from my leftover material from my tailor. So as you can see, this is the outside. Okay, it's a pretty deep pouch. And I'll show you in a little bit what I'm gonna put in here. So this is the pouch, put a handle on it, just like it was in the example. I got these tan zippers, so he got the zippers put on for me. There is a inside pocket with another zipper that I asked for. So these zippers are YKK zippers. I don't know if you can see that, YKK. I wish they had the bigger zippers with YKK, but they only have these small ones. So I was able to get this big one. I got that put on the outside. This is the inside, so the lining goes all the way through. He did this exactly as I asked him to do it. Now, when you're getting things tailored, custom made, it is gonna take some trial and error. For one, my tailor doesn't really speak that much English, and I don't speak any Arabic. He's Indian, so Arabic isn't his native language, but people here, they generally have to learn Arabic before they come, unless you're from the West, basically. So we have a shorthand. I've developed a shorthand with him. Tell him same, tell him this, uses the least amount of words as possible. So here's the pouch that I asked for with the lining on the inside. The other thing was the smaller pouch that I wanted. This is something I didn't ask for, and he added this extra little piece of flair to it. So that's part of the lining. He just made that. So that's pretty cool. You'll always have these strands that come off, but they go off over time. But again, this is duck canvas. This is waterproof or water resistant material. This is material that they use for different types of things: backpacks, pants, workwear, also sails on boats. So when I go and I find this material, I can't get this from the normal place that I get material from. I had to go to the different stores that sell drapes and things like that. So I had to do just research in my mind, just racking my brain on different uses for duck fabric, duck canvas and things like that to be able to get to where I needed to go, because people don't know. If I were to say to somebody, I'm trying to find duck canvas, or try to show them a picture, it didn't work. So I have to think, and I have to go on the internet, find different uses. And I said, okay, when I go here, I go in and I say, I'm looking for waterproof material. So this is just for anybody that may be, living abroad, especially in the Middle East, and want to get some things done, because the labor on this is cheaper than it would be to get it done in the US, for example, because that's where I'm from. So here's the pouch. Wrap this video up. I did not want the lining on the inside, so you did just like I did, just like I asked. I'm going to use this one just to put my pens, pencils, things like that in here. Okay, so this I will put inside here, but the reason why I wanted to have this made was for like an everyday carry. This is something that another YouTuber inspired me to want to get. So I'm going to put my computer, my laptop charger in here. I'm going to put the charger for my phone. I am an Android user. I do not use Apple products. Long story. All right, my external hard drive, my 1 terabyte hard drive, external hard drive, put that in there. Always have to keep a, power extension, so if I run out of battery. So I'm keeping that in there. And the cord for it, I have a couple cords. So this cord I'll just wrap up, and then I will put it in here. So in here I have my cords, other chargers. I have the cord to my external hard drive there. And there you have it. Okay. So this I would then just put in my messenger bag that I have, and carry this with me every time I come back and forth to work, so I know where everything is. Try to just keep things neat. All right. So that's it. This was me taking you through a little introductory step-by-step on how I get things done. All right. The next thing I'm having made is a suit, so I will show that. But if any of you have any advice for me, because I am new to the YouTube game, if you have any advice on video editing or what I could do to make more space, because I have a small tripod here, so that's why my videos are like pretty close. It doesn't go up too high. So if you have any suggestions on how to make my videos better, you're more than welcome. I appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like. Leave a comment if you have any comments or questions. And I hope to see you again soon. Peace. North out.